So you guys, I am back in the cut, my stylish girls. Y'all, I'm so happy I can fix the settings on my camera and now I can vlog. Because I was like, what the heck is going on? But, what is that?
I want the yellow.
I don't want it.
I want this.
I don't want it. But I'm in the kitchen about to make some shrimp and grits. Bacon, butter, garlic, chicken broth, parsley, onion powder, garlic powder, and milk. But I'm about to boil some water. And this is the only, they didn't have no other kind of grits. So this is the only kind of grits they had in the store. So I'm about to just make it work with this. Season my shrimp. Season garlic. Boiling. Alright, so I'm gonna let that cook, and then after I get done with that, I'll put my shrimp in, then pour my grits. So you guys, I went ahead and added the garlic to the butter. I'm just gonna use a spoon, let that shimmer just a little bit, and then I am also going to add a little bit of my chicken broth. You can use anything type of chicken broth, just a little bit for the shrimp and give it a little bit flavor. But yeah, so with the grits, they're instant grits, so they're not gonna take long to cook. So I'm gonna go ahead, I don't like salt, I really don't even put a lot of salt on my food, but I'm gonna add a little bit of garlic salt, and it's going to really spice up the boiling process. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add my grits in. Shimmer and put the top on it. I'm gonna come back to it. So I'm gonna just let it shimmer while I add my shrimp in. My shrimps are in. I am gonna add a little bit of paprika. my grits are basically done. As you guys can see, I don't like them too soupy and I don't like them too stiff. They still kind of cooking a little bit. I'm trying to get rid of those lumps, and I let it cook over. And then I should use a fork. That'll probably perfect. While my shrimp is basically done, I'm going to add some parsley. I thought I had some green onions, but I don't. I'm just gonna add a little parsley up in there because I love me some parsley. Just gonna let the parsley cook in there. My grits are basically done. My grits are basically done, as you guys can see. So yeah, I'll show you guys the finished look. Okay, y'all, this is how my grits turned out, the shrimp and grits. So I am about to eat, and I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all look so good. Let me just show y'all this. Y'all look so delish. So I'm about to eat up. Talk to y'all later.